One of our breakthrough solutions, Miatech's BioTurbo, was designed to remove ethylene and bacteria from the air to improve the quality and storage life of fresh perishables. So let's start by talking about the impact of removing ethylene and airborne bacteria for perishables.
The main thing is the difference in the product. When you're at a warehouse that's been doing this for years and you know the time frame that the product will survive and what it looks like, the throwaway, and then when you have the system set, you can see the difference.
It's all about money. Finances are very key in this issue. How much do you value your product? Are you willing to throw away product? It's definitely very important because it's going to affect your bottom line.
One of the ways that when we first introduced the product was how do I know this thing's working? And the difference in the smell alone is significant. And the customer always comes back and says, well, I don't smell those apples anymore. I don't smell the onions anymore, or whatever product that they're storing.
Miatech developed a whole new system using the latest that science had to offer. During this research, it was determined that the removal of airborne bacteria in addition to ethylene would be an important part of our solution.
The smart businessmen today are taking in consideration both the removal of ethylene as well as airborne bacteria.
The BioTurbo works in a 4-stage process. In the first stage, we filter the air for general dust and debris. In the second stage, we use what we call a cell destruct filter. It basically pierces bacteria cells and can be especially helpful with spores. In the third stage, we create high concentrations of ozone housed in a chamber. Keep in mind that ozone will never leave the chamber. We just want to expose the air to high-intensity ozone to deplete the ethylene and eliminate airborne bacteria. Contact time is a minimum of 20 seconds in this chamber. In the fourth and final stage, the ozonated air moves over a catalyst that disrupts the ozone, turning it back into regular oxygen, leaving ethylene and bacteria-free air to be sent back into the room. In this way, everything happens inside the BioTurbo and no ozone leaves the system. Miatech's BioTurbo was designed to be the most affordable system to own. This means maintenance requirements were kept simple.
Very simple, very quick, and very small exposure to cost of maintenance.
BioTurbo is probably the most affordable way to remove ethylene from the atmosphere.
It's not expensive up front, and it has the lowest cost to operate.
In this competitive market, price is a lot and performance is also a lot. And so far, I've not lost a sale to a competitor with BioTurbo, and I know they're looking. I know they check it out.